Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Thermostat Honda Fit Easy Guide. Start by locating the thermostat housing at the engine end of the upper radiator hose and remove the hose clamp. Keep a drip pan handy and label any hoses or connectors you detach. Work methodically and keep fasteners organized. I'll walk you through removal, cleaning the mating surfaces, and preparing the new thermostat for installation with warm, calm instructions to keep it simple. Begin by confirming the coolant drain level is safe and the engine is cool to touch. Loosen the thermostat housing bolts evenly and wiggle the housing free. Be ready for a small coolant spill. Remove the old thermostat and gasket, noting the orientation of the spring and flange. Scrape away old gasket material gently and clean the mating surfaces with a soft brush and solvent if needed. Keep parts organized and prepare the new gasket and thermostat for installation. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more repair guides and simple car tips. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, a handy way to enjoy manuals or car guides while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support, and don't go anywhere. Now let's get back to the video. Place the new thermostat into the engine, housing with the spring facing the engine, and the correct orientation noted earlier. Fit the gasket or seal and loosely install the housing bolts before tightening them evenly in a crisscross pattern to the proper torque. Reconnect the radiator hose and any sensors or clamps you removed. Refill the cooling system with the specified coolant and run the engine to operating temperature, watching for leaks and bleeding any trapped air for consistent flow and temperature control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.